2 a.m. You're sitting at your kitchen table, staring at a cracked phone screen, watching some 22-year-old guru with a blinding white smile standing in front of a rented orange Lamborghini, telling you that anyone can become a millionaire if they just work hard enough. It feels like a punch to the gut because you are working hard. Your alarm goes off at 5:30 a.m. every single day, but your bank app still shows exactly $42.16. By the end of this video, you are going to see the hidden math and the psychological trapdoors these gurus use to keep you running on a financial treadmill, and you will finally know the exact 3 rules that actually build wealth when hard work isn't enough. Let's look at your life right now. You're 30 years old. Let's call you Alex. You buy the cheaper store brand cereal, you skip the weekend trips with friends, and you put $50 a week into a basic index fund. The finance books tell you that in 40 years, those green bars on the chart will shoot straight up into the millions. But here's the massive, frustrating twist that nobody talks about. Inflation means $1 million 40 years from now will buy you exactly what $300,000 buys today, meaning you spent your whole life skipping dinners and clipping coupons just to end up broke anyway. To break out of this trap, you need a totally different playbook, starting with rule number 1. Stop trying to cut your way to wealth with $5 coffees and start increasing your income floor. You can only cut your spending to 0, but your ability to make more money is completely unlimited. If you want to see your bank account grow, you have to learn one highly valuable, rare skill that people will actually pay you thousands of dollars for. Rule number 2 is all about where you put that money. Do not lock your cash away in a low-yield savings account where a giant bank uses it to make themselves rich. Put your money into assets that you actually control, like a small side business or direct cash flow investments. When you see your own products sell or your own service get a check, that is when the wealth wheel actually starts turning. Rule number 3 is the hardest one. You have to completely ignore the invisible social script that tells you to buy a bigger house or a shinier car the second you get a raise. When your income goes up, keep your living setup exactly the same for at least 24 months. Put that extra cash directly into buying more assets, not nicer leather seats that lose half their value the moment you drive off the lot. The brutal truth is, the financial system is built to keep you spending every dollar you make, just to look like you are winning. If you keep following the standard advice, you will spend your entire life building someone else's dream while staring at a tiny retirement check. Hit the subscribe button, save this video right now, and send it to that one friend who just got a promotion and immediately went out to lease a brand new BMW.